Check this out, guys. I was able to generate over $472 in one single week just for setting this method up. And right here you can see just today I made $41.93 without having to work on this method at all. And on top of that, I was able to make additional $400 because this method is monetized two ways. And in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how this method works, how to set it up yourself, so even if you are a complete beginner, right after watching this video you can get these same results too. Now this is going to require zero skills or any experience. It's going to cost you literally nothing to set up. All you need to do is just have your laptop and an internet connection, and make sure to watch this video from beginning to the end. And if you're going to set it up, you can make up to $800 in a single week with this set and forget method, literally just for setting it up. So just let's get right into it. But before we do, make sure to hit the like button under this video, subscribe to this channel, and also hit the notification bell, and also make sure to leave a comment to help me with the YouTube algorithm so these videos can reach more and more people, and I will really appreciate it. So first thing what you want to do is go to Google and you want to search for CPAgrip.com. If you've been watching my videos for quite some time now, you know what CPA Grip is and how to use it. But for all the new people out there who are new to these CPA Grip marketing methods, what you want to do is go to CPAgrip.com and you want to sign up for your free account. This is going to take you just a couple of minutes and it's completely free. All you need to do is just go ahead and fill in all your personal information into these fields. Make sure you're going to type in your social media handle, but you don't have to do that for Skype. Pretty much go ahead and retype it into Instagram or whatever social media you may want to use. You can use Facebook, Twitter, any of that good stuff. Then just type in your handle. And the important part, most important part of this entire process, in this publisher type, go ahead and select /website, /instant or GPT. That way your account will get approved instantly and you get to do this method right away without having to wait for anything at all. Once you complete that, what you want to do is go ahead and tick all three of these boxes right here and click on register now, and you will get your free account right away. All you have to do then is just go ahead and log right into it. And once you log into your CPA Grip account, you want to go to this toolbar and click on monetization tools and go to URL/file lockers. Once you get here, what you want to do is go ahead and click on create a new URL locker, but we are going to hold on that for a couple of minutes because for this method to work, what you need to also do is grab yourself an affiliate offer, preferably from clickbank.com. For this, you can use any affiliate marketplace out there, but for all the complete beginners that are watching this video, I'm going to show you exactly what offer to go for, so you will maximize your earnings with this method without having to spend any money at all. First of all, if you do not have a ClickBank account, what you want to do is sign up for one, and I highly recommend that you skip this start here button and go straight into login. And down here you can see you can create an account by pressing this highlighted sentence, and actually this is the preferable way to do this because that way you're going to skip this little annoying survey they put out to new ClickBank appliers, so you don't have to waste any time with it. Once you sign up for your account, what you want to do is log right into it as well. And once you log in, you want to navigate to the affiliate marketplace. Press the marketplace button and you will be taken to this site where you get to choose from all these different niches that you can promote with affiliate marketing and make money with. But in today's video we are focusing on the CPA aspect of this method for CPA Grip. That's going to be like this main source of income with this method, but what you actually need to do to make money with it is some URL to lock. Now the beauty of this method is you will be making money with the URL locker from CPA Grip, so you don't have to get any sales at all to make this profitable. But because I'm going to give you a traffic source that's so powerful and swarming with targeted traffic, what you want to actually do is lock something that's going to be of value, because that way even if you get one or two sales, that's some additional extra money, and that's always a good sign. What you want to do is in this marketplace, go ahead and find this e-business and e-marketing section, and once you're going to open it up, and if you're going to scroll a little bit down, you will find this affiliate offer that's called paid online writing jobs. As you can see right here, this affiliate offer will be paying you anywhere between $4.76 up to $140 for each of these conversions, and on average you're going to make $140 for each sale at the end of the day. So what you want to do is go exactly for this offer because it's very good offer for the traffic source that I'm going to give you. If you go to the sales page of this product, that's going to load up in just a couple of seconds. As you can see right here, this is going to offer anybody who's going to come to the sales page a short quiz that's going to qualify them for online paying job. That's going to be paying anywhere between $25 to $35 simply just by writing from their home. Now in today's day and age, working from home is something everybody wants to do, so this is going to be a very good offer that we can use with this method. So what you want to do is go back to ClickBank and you want to click on promote and you want to grab its affiliate link. First of all, you want to type in their ClickBank nickname that you used to sign up for your account and click on create a hop link, and you will get your very own affiliate link. What you want to do is pretty much just click on copy, and you want to save it somewhere where you can grab it a little bit later, for example into like a notepad or any other text editor. Once you do that, you want to hop back to CPA Grip, and now you get to create your very own URL locker. All you want to do is just click on this create a new locker, go through these terms of service, and if you're going to click on agree, you get to move ahead and click on continue. What you want to do here is just pretty much go to this templates section, and you want to pick one that you want to go with. And one of my top performing templates that I keep using over and over again is this captcha locker right here. This is one of the most famous content locking templates out there because this captcha box, you may have seen it on hundreds of different websites and it's very popular. And the entire difference between this one and those other captcha lockers out there is that this one is going to be making you money. What you want to do is pretty much just customize it a little bit, go back to the general section, and you want to rewrite this headline into something like complete the captcha below to proceed to the job description, or something like that. That's going to point to the fact that after whoever is going to come to the site and completes the captcha, they will actually be taken to the job offer, which is true because we will be directing to the sales page of these paid online writing jobs. Then what you want to do is go to this locked URL section, and you want to paste there your affiliate link that you gotten from ClickBank. Just copy it and paste it in there. And what you can also do is go ahead and increase the number of these offers that are going to be shown for completion every time somebody is going to click on this captcha. Then also what I like to do for my offers is go to this access time and change the availability to 1 or 3 hours, because that way every time somebody is going to complete this captcha, they will be given access just for this amount of time. And if they are going to, for example, close the site and come back 3 hours later to complete it, they will need to complete the captcha one more time, and that way you can get paid multiple times from one single person. Then in this anchor text, I'm going to also write something like, after completion, you will be redirected to the hiring site URL. Now this is pretty much set up. All you need to do now is just save this, and you need to copy the link to this URL locker, and all you need to do is just scroll to these details, and you want to click on get links. Now what I highly recommend is that you also change the domain of this link, because this has something to do with the playable download, and you don't want that to be displayed anywhere. So just go ahead and choose different link that's going to be a little bit more mysterious, for example like this UpToLink lock. So I'm just going to change it to this UpToLink lock version, and then what you also can do is click on customize URL, and you get to customize this back half of the link. Now what I'm going to do is put in there something to do with the affiliate offer that I'm going to be promoting. So I'm just going to type in there something like paid online jobs 2023. You may go through a couple of different of these URLs because most of them are going to be taken already, but once you find one that you can go with, just click on change, and now we want to copy this link, and I'm also going to paste it into my trusty little notepad so I can access it later. Now if you're going to open this URL up, it's going to take you to this content locker. But I'm not going to be completing it because that's a big no-no on CPA Grip. You don't want to be completing your own CPA offers, but pretty much every time somebody is going to land here, they are going to verify they are not a robot. They will have to complete one of these offers. They will be taken to the sales page of this product, and even if they don't make a purchase, you are already getting paid just for sending people to this sales page. That's the beauty of this method. Now all you need to do is just drive the most amount of relevant job-seeking traffic to this CPA locker, and to do that, what you want to do is go to Google and you want to search for classified ads. Hit search on that, and what you want to do is go to this first website that's called classifiedads.com, and as you can see right here, this is an advertisement board where you can advertise anything and everything, and most of all, jobs. If somebody is going to be looking for a job, which we are going to be promoting, this is one of the best sources of traffic to do that. And if you're going to check out this website using similar web extension, you can see that this website is getting over 500,000 monthly visitors, and almost half of these are coming from United States. So this is a guarantee you will be getting a tier 1 traffic. All you need to do on classified ads is just go ahead and click on post ad for free. You want to select category, that's going to be jobs. Subcategory is going to be creative jobs, because writing is a creative job. And now you need to fill in a city or zip code of location in United States. To do that, what you want to do is go to this website right here. That's called bestrandoms.com, and all you need to do here is just go ahead and select the state that you want to promote this in. For example, let's go with Illinois for this one. You want to fill in the state that you want to go with, leave the city blank, and you also want to leave the zip code blank. If you're going to click on generate right here, this website is going to give you a couple of these very random addresses that are going to be in Illinois, and you get everything from phone number, zip code, the street, and the city. So pretty much just choose one of these that you want to go with. For example, this one right here, I'm just going to copy the zip code to this city, go back to classified ads and post it in there. It's going to load up the city, and all you need to do now is just post the body of the advertisement. And to do that, what you want to do is go back to ClickBank, and if you're going to go to affiliate page of this product, just click on the affiliate page button. You get all these done for you resources that you can use to create a very eye-catching advertisement. So first of all, I need a body of the ad. So I'm just going to go into these email swipes right here, and I'm going to choose one of these emails that is going to be promoting this exact offer. So for example, let's go with email number 7, and you can see right here you get everything from the subject line ready to be copied and pasted into classified ads title up to, and you get to copy also the body of the email that you can use as a text for your advertisement. So pretty much just copy and paste it in there, and what you want to do is go to this section where it says click here to apply, and you want to click on this link button, and what you want to do here is just paste the link to your CPA locker. Just pretty much copy it and paste it in there, just like that. Click on OK, and that way this sentence will become a clickable button in the text. What you want to also do is go to the end of this text, and you want to type in there something like sign up URL, and you want to also paste it in there, because if somebody is going to miss this button, they will see this sign up URL right here, and they are going to click on it, and that's exactly what you want. Then just scroll all the way down here, and you want to fill in the remainder of these fields. For example, type in your name, and you also need to type in your phone number. Even if you do have a US phone number, you don't have to be using that, because if you go to Best Randoms, you get your phone number ready to be copied. That's not going to be exactly your number, is it? But that really doesn't matter, because all you are looking for here is the traffic. So just paste it in there, and then what you want to do is select expiration date in 9 months, because that way this ad will be up there for 9 months, and it's going to be making you money long after you even forget that you set something like this up. Then just go ahead and type in your CAPTCHA, just like that, and you can also upload the image to this ad. If you go to the affiliate page once more time, and you can see right here you get these banners that you can download and use with these ads. So for example, let's open this one up. It's going to download all these banners to your computer. All you want to do then is just upload one of them right here, and all you need to do is just click on post ad. And this is pretty much how your ad is going to look like. You got everything from the banner to the body of the text that you have posted. Now every time somebody is going to be browsing for jobs, they will see your advertisement, they will come to this site, read through the text obviously, and they will want to apply. They will click on this button, but before they actually get to the job offer, they will have to complete this CAPTCHA locker, and that way you're going to make some money first. If they are going to complete it and they get to the sales page actually, and they will want to apply for these paid online writing jobs, you will make another source of income with this, and that way you can multiply your results greatly. All you want to do then is just go ahead and post multiple of these ads with different text that you can get from the affiliate page. Just go to the affiliate page, and you can choose different email to post as a body of this advertisement, upload it to classified ads, and just wait for those money to come in. So that's it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, just make sure to hit that like button. And if you want to see some more money-making methods that are completely free, check out this video right here. Other than that, have a great day, and I'm going to see you there.